Hello, welcome to my channel Expert Learning Academy. This is Siraj. Today we are going to learn the functions named date, e-date, e-month and today. So let's start with date function. Date function is usually used in IT sector where you have some ugly data. So this is my analysis purpose what I am telling you. So there are many sectors where the function are using. So let's start with the function detail. Like this is the you have the data means ugly data you have like this. You can drag into like there's for example I'm taking this. So these are the data. You can take it like this. So how date function is this? You can type the date. You're showing the data is year. Pick the year. Pick the month. Pick the date, and then bracket close. So this is the use of date function. Please do like and comment how it is, how about date function, and how would you rate this example. If any other suggestion, move to the function called e-date means end of date and eo month and end of month. So this is the basically used to in income tax sector, like using of start date and end date means for reminder. Basically you can use if you are in corporate that you can use it for a reminder also. So suppose you have a target date and assignment, then you have to fit this under this much of date and month, then you can use this function. So how? The end of date means the e-date function, how it works, type equal to then e-date bracket start, use the start date, like start date, and then comma, and then months means from if suppose this is a July month and you have to complete the task in by September, task for next 2 days, sorry, so next 2 months. So I can put it 2 in bracket close. What the date will come, sorry, 11 September. So it's a July month and the date will come 11 September. It's July, August, September. Got it? And same but little different in end of month means EO month function. So this is how it works. Let's see. EO month start date. Always use start date. Months. I am taking the 3 months forward. So it will show 31st October. So start date means if this is in July, it will show the next 3 month date, exact date. Not like this means how it is different. I'm telling you. It's showing 31st October 2021. While I'm picking the same thing, while I'm picking the same thing in end of date, what the result will come to see. E date, start date, and then 3 months. It will show 11 October and it will show 31st October. How change? It will calculate from date to date and it is calculated from date to month. It's calculate total 31st October means calculating a month wise as a calendar wise. How? If it is a Feb, then it is calculate 28. If it is March, then it will calculate 30, 31st. So accordingly calendar wise it will calculate. So that's why this is the result from the 31st October 2021, and this is 11 October 21. Thank you. And now moving to our next formula function, you can call it, that is today. In every time, in every expenses or every type of data means where you always you have to put date. I have taken an example of a traveling expense of a particular sales agent where he's traveling to Noida, more bus and whatever the time of that is. So how here date function what help for sorry today function, type today and then bracket start and bracket close. It will show the pop up the same day, same date. Okay. Anything confusion, anything is not going to understand understandable area, then please do comment and do comment me so that I can improve this video as much as I can possible. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.